and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you're new. I forgot to film an intro and an outro for this video, so I'm just popping on here on my phone to do that now. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the EYLURE lashes that they just came out with. They are magnetic lashes. They're not the kind where you have to like fit the two eyelashes together and like clip them together with the magnets. These ones are even better. You use an eyeliner and they stick onto the eyeliner, and let me tell you, they are amazing. They are so easy to put on. I absolutely love the way fake lashes look. They make any look so much better. They have a ton of different styles. I will be showing you guys 3 different styles today. This first set is the faux mink wispy ones, and then there are the faux mink accent ones, and then we have the faux mink volume ones. So without further ado, let's get started. For these lashes, it is super easy to put them on. You literally take this magnetic eyeliner and put it on like any other eyeliner. You do one coat, let it dry, do a second coat, let it dry, and then go ahead and do one last coat and let it dry. Once all 3 coats are completely dry, you can go ahead and put the lashes on, and they literally stick to the eyeliner. You can wear these lashes up to 15 times. I should also mention that it is really easy to get the magnetic eyeliner off. You literally just take it off with a makeup wipe. You could also just peel it off, which is what I have done. Also, you can do this with like a full face of makeup. You just put it on the same way you do eyeliner. For this, I just wanted to show you guys the lashes on their own though. So that's why I'm doing it on a clean canvas, and we're just gonna ignore the rest of what's going on. You can also use mascara to blend them in. I really like the EYLURE blending mascara. I have featured it in a different video here on my channel. I will leave it down below for you guys, but that mascara works great. So those are just the EYLURE magnetic lashes. I absolutely love them, like I keep saying. They are great. I absolutely love fake lashes, like I've also mentioned, but the struggle is real when it comes to putting them on. This makes it a ton easier. If you are just starting out with lashes, I cannot recommend these enough, not to mention that they're affordable. So thank you to EYLURE for partnering up with me and sending me these. I've worked with EYLURE a ton before. I think this is my 3rd or 4th video with them, and I absolutely love all their lash products. Can't recommend them enough. So shout out to them for sending me these and for helping me put this video together for you guys. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell to receive a notification every time I upload a new video. I really hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!